Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to learn. I will teach all of you about difference between Animate and Flash, Adobe Flash. Yeah, okay. I will try to share first. Okay, that's Corel Draw, but I want to create something, yeah, unit in pixel, and we know the default states on Animate, states on Adobe Flash have width 550 pixel and 400 pixel height. Yeah, okay, but now I will try to export this object. Export. Okay, and I will try to save like this. Yeah, maybe this. Yeah, have 550 pixel width and 400 pixel height. Yeah, okay, that's it. But now I want to share Animate. Yeah, we'll share Animate. This, take a look. The default is with 550 pixel and 400 pixel height. Yeah. And then we try to import to states. Yeah, maybe this. Okay, one, great. Yeah, it's a real width and height size, and create use Corel Draw. Yeah, okay, but now I'll try to share on Adobe Flash. Yeah, Adobe Flash. Okay, that's it. I will create a new file. Okay, take a look. The default state same as Animate. Yeah, 550 pixel width and 400 pixel height. Okay, I will try to import to states. The object have 550 width and 400 pixel height. Yeah, okay, here. Yeah, here the object that 550 and 400. Here if we insert that object, have 132 width and height 96 pixel height. Yeah, okay, but I will show to okay. Now we share again. Okay, Corel Draw. Yeah, here before we know on Flash, on Flash, we know the result is 132 and 96 pixel. Here the real on CorelDRAW. If we will do insert on Flash, it's same size with 132 pixel and 96 pixel. I will try to count. I will try to count. Maybe 100. Maybe here to this object. Okay, and count that the result. That the result is 2200 pixel and 1600 pixel. Maybe 4 times bigger if we want to create object on CorelDRAW and then place on Adobe Flash. If we want to create object from CorelDRAW to animate, we can use the real size. If we want to create object on CorelDRAW for Adobe Flash, we must use 4 times bigger than the object. Okay, let's try. I want to prove it. Let's here 2200 pixels width and 1600 pixel height. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I will share to Adobe Flash again. Okay, that's the on animate, but now I will try to import that we have 2200 pixel and 1600 pixel. Okay, that's it. I think it seems not clear. Okay, now we can maybe adjust the size and 400. That's it. This is 0, axis is 0. More repair for this object a bit. If I'm not sure the object is much clear, maybe resolution, maybe their size and others. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.